Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the blue boyfriend from the Friday Night Funkin' Minus mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Now let's draw the eyes. On the left side, draw a tall, angled oval and color it in black. It should be a little bit taller than the face line. Next, draw a smaller one to the right. Let's add the eyebrows now. Draw a large V shape above and touching the right eye. Then thicken it up slightly. Next, from the right eyebrow, draw an angled line down through the left eye and past the face like this. Now from the right of this line, draw a curve over to the right. Then close off the bottom of the face with a long V shape. And then add one more smaller angled V shape to finish off the piece of the hair. Let's draw the mouth next. From the small point of the hair, draw a curve down to the left. Now under, draw a curved line down. And an angled line to close off the mouth. Let's draw the piece of hair above his face now. Draw a long angled line down from the top left to the right eyebrow. Now from the top, angle it down into the left. Then close off the hair with a curved V shape. Let's draw his hat next. From above the hair, draw a line up. Then curve it over to the right and down. Now add a curve down. Move back to the top now and draw another angled line. And then close off the hat here. Lastly, draw the brim of the hat going out to the right like this. Let's draw his jacket now. Draw a V shape under his face, with the right side being longer. Then a line down. And another small line down on the right. Now draw diagonal lines on both sides to finish off the collar. Next, on the right side, draw a diagonal line down. Then to the left, a step parallel line like this. And then connect them with an angled line. Now inside, draw two lines across. And add a small circle here. Draw the left side of the jacket now with both sides having step lines. And then add two curves inside. Now add a bent line on either side of the jacket like this. Let's draw both shoes now. Draw a curved angled rectangle shape on both sides for the tongue of the shoe. Now draw a curved border along the sides and the top. Now do the same thing on the right side. Next, between the shoes, draw a line in and then angled down on both sides. Now connect them with a line across. Move to the left side now and draw an angled line out. And then a curve down and in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now draw a long S-curve across the bottom of the left shoe. For the right side, start with a straight line. And then curve it down and over to the right. Let's draw the soles now for each shoe. Draw angled lines in the middle here like this. Now a wavy line to close off the left shoe. Now for the right, start with an angled line. Now an upwards curve. And then close it off with one more line. Let's add the details inside the shoes next. Draw the toe of the shoe with a square shape. Then add a border inside on the sides and the top. Do the same thing on the right side. Now add two angled lines between the toe of the shoe and the tongue. Lastly, add two square shapes along the bottom of both shoes. Let's draw the left arm holding the microphone now. From the left side of the face, draw a line out. Now, draw a large circle behind the hair for the microphone head. And then add the detailed curved lines inside. Now draw an angled curved line on the left side of the microphone. Now draw two curves under and color the section in black. Then draw the shape of the thumb out to the left. Next, draw 3 fingers going down on the left like this. Then add curved lines at the top of the first 2 fingers and color the sections in black. Now finish off the sleeve with a curve under the thumb. Next, add a curved rectangle on the top of the arm. And one pointed line next to it. Let's draw the right arm now. Draw an angled line down on the right. and then a curve down to the shoe. Next, add 2 square shapes on the top of the arm. Now at the end of the sleeve, add 1 more bent line. Then draw the thumb next to the tongue of the shoe like this. Now add the shape of the hand with a square-like shape. Now inside, draw a curve across for the glove. And now color it in black. And lastly, add a small line down. And that's it for the blue boyfriend. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.